Hello guys, this is Krish from Ghost House. Today we are here to present you with another real ghost story. As usual, don't listen to the story alone. We are going to the story. Repetitive ticking noise in a 300-year-old house. Story begins. Just to start with, I am fully aware of hallucinations and their types, having finished my placement and med degree. So to get with the problem, it's this recurring ticking noise, like an old desk clock that usually is quite loud, rhythmic, but maintains a similar pattern. The most recent episode was this week past 2 days. The first time in the kitchen over the oven hob. So skeptical as I am, I thought it's the oven with its timer, but no, the oven's timer is an electronic beep. What happened was it began ticking, lasting 30 seconds and stopped. I asked it to repeat and again it began. Repeated this a few times. Sometimes the ticking was barely audible, then flicking back to as loud as clock parked in front of you. The following day it bounced back to my room where it originated, as if I heard the noise years back in my room, again coming from a point over stuff in the room that could not quite make a tick noise. It was there. Interestingly, my brothers heard it over the past few months, so it's not something I alone have heard. I have outruled rain, dodged letters, friendly inhabitants in the room, insects and other winged causes. It's a 250-year to 300-year-old house in Ireland. My dad told a ghost of my mom's uncle in his revolutionary uniform too. I have had problems with ticking before. It once went on to a night one summer. I was home from college. It followed me when I moved from home for medical placements to other regions in Ireland. I'm curious to know what it is. If anyone has experienced of something similar, I would appreciate the input, or if I can be referred to someone that could help. I have tried to record it up. I have had the nearest thing to decent recorders that my phone over the noise directly, and damn thing would not pick up. I repeated it numerous times with no success. If I can record it, I will post it here. And this is the end of the video. Please do subscribe for this YouTube channel if you're watching this video in YouTube. If you're watching in Facebook, like our page to get daily updates on ghost stories and paranormal activities. Thank you.